Back up your PC's critical system state data with ease. Go to the Server Backup tab and click System State. Online Backup will be selected by default. Select a backup location for your system state data from where it is further backed up to your iDrive account. Similarly, select Local or iDrive Express Backup to schedule those backup sets. Then click Schedule. The Schedule Backup screen opens and the selected backup set name appears here. To initiate an immediate backup, click Start the Backup immediately and save changes. Navigate to the Backup tab to view the progress of your backup operation. On successful backup, a confirmation message appears. You can easily recover critical system components after a crash by restoring your system state data. Go to the Server Backup tab, select System State section, and click System State Restore. Select the appropriate folder for restoring the system state data from your cloud account, and click OK. Then click Restore Now to reinstate your system components.